Yeah, Nana. Good evening. Welcome to RT classes C and CMA Guru. So, in my previous video, I explained in detail manner regarding cost accounting, which illustration to focus from study material and which of the areas you can expect for a problematic part, why theory is important. These are all part already I communicated. Now, just check with the particular part with our previous examination question papers. Two question papers I am taking, sir. Why only two question papers? Under new syllabus, only you have two question papers with you. Whether the weightage followed by the ICA or not, we need to check with just a detailed analysis in related to that. As usual, sir, here also 15 questions point of view, we need to get 2 marks. Just see the questions where they are asking. So what is the which of the following is applicable for cost control? This is from our first module itself, integral account. That's why I said you can expect regarding cost bookkeeping point of view 1 MCQ. And this is the part in related to contribution sales ratio, sir. This is from marginal costing, and which is the suitable costing for all different types of materials work performed point of view. So this is come under batch costing or job costing point of view. Majorly this is from job costing. And primary packing, this is from cost sheet, sir. That means from introduction chapter only. So cash budget, this is come under budgetary control point of view. And this is from marginal costing once again. And this is from once again cost sheet point of view. And next once again you need to go with batch costing MCQ. And next, sir, this is come under joint costing point of view. This is come under process costing. This is come under employee costing point of view. And this is from regarding overheads point of view. I told you from under our over absorption you can expect 1 MCQ, as well as even in employee costing also you can expect 1 MCQ. Already I indicated you. So next, sir, this is I already informed you. Just read cost accounting standard numbers. Compulsory you are going to get 1 MCQ from that. And this is regarding standard costing. Sir, if you observe whatever my previous analysis under the previous video, almost all we are matching with the same level. Sir, I am not manipulating anything. This is from your ICA question paper only regarding cost accounting under December attempt point of view. What I said exactly you can check with all the parts. Even you can check with the questions also. This is from sun and moon point of view. Regarding you can check with what they are asking, sir. So what you are supposed to do, prepare cost sheet, suggested selling price to earn a profit. So already I indicated you the same model you can check in our material point of view. What is I discussed in the classroom, the same model question, it was 7 marks. Next, sir, this is, sir. So if you check with the most important question under employee costing, I communicated to you. If you remember the numbers also, here we solved in the questions 83,03,300 itself. Yeah. So that basis PV ratio same, sir. There we discussed about 4,45,000 labor hours. Same model question we have with us, the same question, that is from employee costing. Sir, already 2 questions what we discussed, that model basis only. And I said you from where they can focus. See, sir, this is the part in related to you can expect from budgetary control point of view. Already if you check with the particular things, calculate the ideal capacity hours, maximum, practical, normal, and all these things they are asking. If you check with budgetary control chapter from my classroom discussion, you are going to check with this part. And this is, sir, next B part. They are focusing on just journal entries. Already I indicated you majorly they will focus on reconciliation statement. If they want to do favor to you, just want to give you a comfortable paper, then they just go with journal entry part only. That is from cost bookkeeping chapter. Next, sir, 4th A question point of view, if you check what they are asking, profit for the year, contribution per patient day, break even point of the hospital. Sir, same model question we have in our material regarding operating costing under hospital point of view. That's why I said, sir, hotel, hospital first give major priority, then the next part you need to concentrate it on transportation point of view regarding weights like tons point of view. Second priority is giving to passenger kilometers itself. Next sir, see this part. This is what they are asking, contract cost. Already I indicated you, without seeing contract costing, you never see any of the costing paper. And this is also we discussed in our classroom, the same model problem only. You can check with Caesar, 2/3 of the contract was completed. Same part we did even in our study material also from RT sir material. You can check with the same model question already there. And this is sir process X point of view. So X, Y, Z process costing. See sir, they are giving different process account, just such a simple question. The same basic level question sir, that's what I said you. First give priority to equivalent units, second priority to normal process account. If they want to give a comfortable paper, they will go with normal process account. If they want to complicated you, they will go with equivalent units. See sir, so I said you, in methods of costing, first priority contract costing, second priority go with operating costing, third priority with process costing. I said 7 marks you can expect if you check with my previous video. The same point they are also following here. Okay, next sir, here variances they are asking, material variances they concentrated, such a simple point ma. Here they are giving for 1 unit, here their actual production was 10 units. And if you listen my standard costing questions, then how to prepare first steps also, if you remember first point how we will calculate. First we need to calculate standard quantity. Second part what we need to calculate, revised standard quantity. Third part, if they give an actual quantity, okay, or otherwise we will calculate that part also. And the third one is just fill in the blanks. Why I am using these words? Who listened my costing classes, they know why I am using third step was fill in the blanks. Fourth sir, follow the standard format. What is the standard format? Particulars, formula, how many products are with you, that many products variances itself. Same, follow the same strategy in the examination point of view. You can solve this problem very comfortably. Next sir, see sir, this is what. So production point of view, expected demand, selling price, variable cost, direct labor, or calculate the net profit of the company, each of the following cases. Direct available, raw material availability only. That is the reason I communicated you sir. Even sometimes in group 1 they are concentrating on group 2 related marginal costing question. This is nothing but decision making problem based on key factor analysis. Based on what sir? Key factor analysis. That's the reason if you check with my previous video I indicated first 14 or 15 problems solve. That is the fundamental level problems. But sometimes they are not asking only formula based concepts from marginal costing. They want to dig the concept some more. There they are going for our management accounting questions related, where we discussed some depth model concepts. That too, these model concepts, if I am not wrong, as an average 9 to 10 questions I discussed in our classroom point of view. Just go through with those questions, then you are able to solve this question. Next sir, I already indicated you, so that is the part you can prepare. Quarterly production budget. Sir, in your previous video if you observe, I mentioned production budget or flexible budget. These are the two areas they are focusing more in budgetary control. See, that is only expected. One sir, cost accounting standard. Next sir, objectives and functions. Already this is purely based on CAS point of view. So that's why I said just go through with my 6 to 8 pages of theory what is I given to the student. Just read that particular content, then you are able to answer these questions. So responsibility center I mentioned under my video, the important question. Bill of material and CAS 7 sir, 5 marks point of view. How to do overtime wages in cost accounting under CAS 10. CAS 7 is regarding employee costing, Nana. That's the reason they are using. So already I indicated under important questions, ideal time, overtime, its accounting treatment, labor turnover, timekeeping and time booking as well as. Got it? So if you check with majority of the question paper, sir, how much we predicted the things, we can expect 80 plus range only. Exactly what we can guess we can see in the examination. But if you check with here, major questions what I discussed in the classroom are repeatedly I will communicate to the student, this is important, concentrate on this point, this theory is important, this theory question they may be asked you in the examination. Yeah, even still if you left with your cost accounting standard part also, still you are able to handle with comfortably 60 plus marks itself, because all MCQs are very comfortable. This is which year paper, sir? 2023 December cost accounting paper. Sir, no manipulation, nothing. So what is there, that is only I am indicating. If you check with, if you listen all my sessions practically and all the theory part comfortably, if you attended all my sessions without any delay or without any absent, without missing any of the particular videos, then there is no chance of skipping 60. Very easily you can score. Then let's see the recent 2024 June paper. First part, sir, common cost control, cost centers point of view, what we are supposed to use. This is from basics only. Cost accounting standard, once again, sir, one MCQ. And see, sir, hotel point of view, operating costing. Here, see, sir, which of the following is the pricing cost economic values point of view under materials chapter. This is once again operating costing, sir. And this is we have already in our study material, same model problem, you can check with that. And this is what process costing, sir, compulsory they are asking one MCQ from process costing. And this is what inventory turnover ratio, whatever the important questions I listed, there you can cross check. This question already I mentioned regarding calculation of inventory turnover ratio. This is marginal costing question, sir. This is what, sir, labor employee costing point of view. This is come under organization principles budgetary control point of view. This is from introduction chapter. This is from once again relating to salary of labor staff is come under, this is come under cost sheet point of view, Nana. And once again they are concentrating on EOQ or EBQ. If you observe, they are asking one question as an MCQ in the examination point of view, Nana. So once again, see the same thing come from material costing, another question. This is from your standard costing part. If you observe, I said 7 marks practical question plus 2 marks MCQ from the particular standard costing. And marginal costing you can expect problem as well as 2 or 3 MCQs. Same you can cross check, the same thing they are repeating. And I mentioned 5 to 13 marks you can expect from first chapter, either from problematic part or MCQ point of minimum 2 MCQs you are seeing here. See, sir, next, this is from study material as it is question, you can check. This is already I mentioned you under important questions point of view, under cost sheet point of view, same question. And next, sir, this is what also question I mentioned you in our important questions list, same model question. Same model question you can cross check with our study material question, that is from employee costing. So I told you employee costing 5 or 7 marks you can expect. Marginal costing average 7 marks problematic plus 1 or 2 MCQs. Standard costing 7 marks plus 1 MCQ from either overhead chapter or from direct expenses chapter. See, sir, overheads. This is what I mentioned you already. So already majorly they are focusing on which method? Primary and secondary distribution part they are concentrating well. See, sir, the same point was a simultaneous equation method. That's why I mentioned. Next, sir, see, under double entry system. Double entry system means they are simply asking, there is no one single concept. So double entry means you need to follow under integrated accounting system journal entries. Next, sir, see, sir, this is the part of 4th A. Holiday homes runs throughout the 365 years, 20% margin rate, single room, double room, triple room. That is what I already indicated. Hotel, very important problem under operating costing point of view. It's not as it is problem, sir, same model problem. If you are comfortably handle there that particular problem what I mentioned you, and especially you have 2 problems under hotel point of view. One is 50 rooms single room, one is 100 rooms double room, summer winter point of view, like that, season or off season or one question, summer and winter point of view, like that. Just concentrate on those 2 questions, more than enough, you can handle these questions very comfortably. See sir, once again, same question as it is there from our study material. This is already I mentioned as an important question, 7 marks. See sir, without contract costing, there is no concept of costing paper. Next sir, this is what? Direct material, direct wages, fixed overheads. This is simply from, actually this is a little difficult question from joint costing from CA inter material they provided. This question, if you check with this same question you have in CA inter. If you check with, if you have any of your friends under CA inter, you can ask them my material. So there you can see this question from CA inter cost accounting point of view. But CMA inter level, this is a little difficult question from joint costing. So already I indicated you grade P, grade Q, grade R sir, standard hours, actual hours, labor variance. That is what I mentioned. 95% chances are there to ask from labor variances from standard costing. This model question already we discussed in the classroom. Next sir, this is what operating at 70% and what they are asking you to prepare. So propose a schedule total profit after incorporating export proposal suggested by you. This is what sir, this is the question from linking with budgetary control, as well as it is given by some another informations from our marginal costing. If you check with my questions from marginal costing, there you can check with from my material marginal costing. This model question already discussed. This is given, see sir, 14 marks. Can you accept the export order? Can you go with export order? Continue with the same? Only accepting the export order, combination present level capacity and export level capacity combining basis. Like this 3 to 4 problems we discussed in our classroom point of view. Nana. And next sir, this is what production budget point of view, and sometimes they may be go with cash budget also. But actually cash budget is important under management accounting group 2 point of view. Sometimes if your time is not good, then you can see cash budget here as well as, or otherwise majorly you can see from cash budgets in group 2. Anyway, this model question already I discussed in the classroom. See sir, cost accounting point of view, they are expecting 17 marks. What are the essentials of cost accounting system? Advantages of ABC analysis, ideal time. Previously overtime, this time ideal time. See sir, this part comfortably, what are the theory questions I am indicating? From there only exactly you are getting those questions. Yeah, that's the reason. Just follow my strategy, what I provided to you. Just stick with that strategy and surely you are going to get exemption in related to that. Okay sir, in the next video I will try to come with some more subjects which I will teach personally. So and in soon I am trying to release some another video regarding auditing point of view also. Have a nice day Nana, and try to share this particular video to your all friends. They are also need to be benefited. Sir, I am repeatedly continuingly conveying this particular point, just not for the purpose of promotion sir. Just my intention is all the CMA students need to be benefited. That is my agenda. Got it sir? If you analyze these things, compare with my previous video with this particular video, what I mentioned, almost all they are matching with the ICMA examination pattern itself. Okay, don't go away, stay tuned with RT sir videos, and continuously we are going to get updates from time to time. Yeah, thank you ma, have a nice day. Sign off, RT sir.